Today, we're talking about creating and managing menus. There are 3 methods to create menus, one of which is a free professional setup by the experts here at UpMenu. This is available to new users at the beginning of your initial configuration. If you're interested in having your menu set up on your behalf, reach out to the UpMenu support team and we'll get you started. In this video, we'll cover the 2 other methods of menu creation, which include manual entry and importing. Together, we'll explore and build out the various components of your menu, including categories, which help customers easily navigate your menu, products, or menu items, which will include photos, descriptions, and prices, product add-ons, which allow customers to add things like extra toppings or sides, product variants, which enable customers to pick the size or flavor of the product, and product labels, which visually indicate attributes such as gluten-free, spicy, vegan, or customer favorite, to name a few common options. Throughout this video, we'll walk through a live example together as I configure a pizzeria's online menu. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your menu and make it pop with images, descriptions, icons, and more. Let's get started. To kick things off, let's start with the manual creation method first. To build a menu from scratch, start by logging into UpMenu and click on the menus icon on the far left-hand side of the screen. It looks like an open book. We'll be in this section for the remainder of the video. Next, click Add Menu manually and type in the name of the first category on your new menu. Be sure to click Save when you're done. Our next step will be creating categories, which will group together related menu items for easy navigation. As you can see, I've already got a handful of categories for beverages and breadsticks, but let's add one more together for pizza. In the category section on the left-hand side of the screen, click Add and then type the name of the category you'd like to create. Save and repeat this process for as many categories as you need. As you go, you can always see how your menu is shaping up by clicking on the preview button at the top of the screen. Next, we'll add products, photos, and prices to our menu. Start by locating the category you'd like to populate and click Add Product. Then, type in your product name. I'll do cheese pizza. Hit Tab, Enter, or click the check mark to move on to the price. Type in your price and hit Enter to save. Just a note here, your price must be included in order for this product to become visible on your online menu. By clicking on the pencil icon next to our product, we can add things like a description or nutritional facts. When you select advanced settings, we can enable additional features such as half orders, which are great for pizzas and larger entrees. And we can turn on comments, which allow your customers to send a note to the kitchen with their order. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. Finally, click the upload icon next to your product to browse your computer for an image. And it's as simple as that. Rinse and repeat for all of your menu items. Some of your menu items may come in various sizes or flavors. In this case, instead of creating multiple menu items, you can simply add some variations to a single product and allow your customer to choose the option they like best. UpMenu's product variant feature works great for this scenario. Let's say we want to offer pizza in small, medium, and large sizes. To create these options, locate the product you'd like to work on and click on the pencil icon. Under the Variants tab, click on Create First Variant. Then, click Add Variant. Enter the name of your variant, in this case I'll do pizza sizes, and then add individual attributes. I'll do one for small, one for medium, and one for large. Click Save when you're done. Then, back on the Edit Product page, choose from the drop-down menu the pizza size variant that we just created and click Save one more time. That's it. Now we can see that there's a small, medium, and large option for our cheese pizza, and we're also able to set different prices accordingly. If you wanted to create additional sizes for other products, such as beverages, you can easily do that under the Edit Variant section. As you can see, I've created a beverage size variant to use on those products later on. Our menu's looking great so far. Let's include some add-ons so that our customers can easily add related items from the same page that they ordered their pizza from. This creates a streamlined ordering experience and is a great way to upsell additional items. Just a note here, add-on items are typically not available to be ordered by themselves unless you were to create a separate product category for them. A good example of add-ons would include things like additional toppings or maybe dipping sauces. Creating add-ons is just like creating products and categories. To start, navigate to the add-on section on the left-hand side of the screen and click Add to create a new one. As you can see, I've already got a section for toppings, but let's make a new one together for dipping sauces. Enter the name and hit Save. Then, under your newly created dipping sauce category, click Add Add-on to add an individual product. I'll do Alfredo sauce, for example. Make sure to enter a price so that this add-on is visible on your online menu. Just like with regular products, you can always doctor this up with images or use the pencil icon to add a description, nutritional facts, or apply other settings. If you want to let your customers include add-ons for free, don't worry, because we'll be able to adjust that setting in a moment. First, let's make sure your add-ons are visible from the same product page that your customer is ordering from. In this case, let's make sure a customer can see the dipping sauces on the same page that they're ordering their pizza from. To make our add-ons visible, start by locating the product that we'd like to display the add-ons with, and then click on the pencil icon. Under the Modifiers tab, select your add-on category from the drop-down menu, and then click the pencil icon next to the modifier section itself. This is where we'll be able to do things like rename the modifier, set prices and maximums, and apply them to other products. I'll start by updating the name of the modifier to dipping sauces. I'd like my customers to be able to select up to 2 free dipping sauces with their pizza. To do that, I'm going to select Free under the Price of Modifiers section, and then I'm going to click on Advanced Settings to set a maximum. Under Modifiers Quantity, I'll set the maximum to 2. Finally, at the bottom of the page, I'd like to add this same modifier to all of the different pizzas on my menu. I can do that by selecting them from the drop-down menu and clicking Save. When you're done, click Save one more time on the Edit Product page to make sure that these modifiers show up on your online menu. We can repeat this process for additional modifiers such as additional toppings, where I may not want to add a maximum and I may not want to include that free checkbox. Throughout my menu creation process, I can use the Preview button on the top of the screen to check my work. Here, I'm able to see the online menu as it would look and feel from a customer perspective. I can see the different categories that I've created, the individual products that I've included, and I'm also able to see the different variations and modifications for those individual products, including size selections, half and half options, free add-ons like dipping sauces, as well as charged add-ons like additional toppings. I can even add a note for the kitchen at the bottom. The last thing we can add to our menu are some icons or product labels to visually indicate items that cater to a variety of dietary preferences and needs. Some common examples include labels like spicy, gluten-free, or even customer favorite. To add a product label, locate the product that you'd like to modify and click on the pencil icon. Under the Labels tab, select a label, or several, and hit Save. That's all there is to it. If you don't have the time or desire to create a menu from scratch, a fast method is to import an image or a digital version of your pre-existing physical menu. UpMenu system can read PDFs or image files, like JPEGs and PNGs, and automatically create the basic structure of your menu. While it's not able to add advanced things like add-ons or labels, it is a great way to speed up the setup process and save time. To import a menu, select the Menus icon on the left-hand side of the screen, and then click on Advanced Settings. Drag and drop or browse your computer to select your file, and wait a moment for it to load. Then, click Send the menu. Wait a moment for the import to run, and proofread your menu for any errors or missing sections. If you spot anything off, you can make manual edits using the workflow we reviewed in the first part of this video. When you're satisfied, click Accept and Save. That's it! Now, we've gone through the process of creating menus, using both manual entry and import methods. We've discussed things like adding categories, products, product variants, add-ons, and labels, and our final menu looks great. Customers can easily navigate our online website and customize their order as needed. Congratulations! If you got stuck at any point during this video, feel free to reference UpMenu support articles, reach out to the support team directly for assistance, or if you're a new customer, sign up for a free setup. Thanks, have a great day.